Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Trek Madone, a road bike known for its lightning speed and innovative design. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just getting into the sport, this bike deserves a closer look. Key features breakdown. Let's break down what makes the Madone tick. First up, the frame. Trek utilizes their top-of-the-line OCLV carbon for an incredibly lightweight and stiff ride. This translates to efficient power transfer. Every pedal stroke propels you forward with minimal wasted energy. Aerodynamics and focus. Aerodynamics are king when it comes to speed, and the Madone doesn't disappoint. The Comtail virtual foil tubes are specifically shaped to cheat the wind, reducing drag and making you a slippery machine on the road. Think of them as tiny windshields that push air around you instead of against you. Comfort with a race pedigree. Now, some race bikes can be harsh on rough roads. But Trek's ISO-speed decoupler acts like a built-in suspension system, absorbing bumps and vibrations. It keeps you comfortable and focused on the ride, even on long distances. Unique selling points. One of the Madone's biggest talking points is the option for a one-piece integrated handlebar and stem. This sleek design shaves off weight and further improves aerodynamics. However, some riders prefer the adjustability of a traditional two-piece setup, and Trek offers the Madone in both configurations. Performance in action. So, how does it translate on the road? The Madone feels incredibly fast. It accelerates like a rocket and maintains speed effortlessly. It's a bike that begs to be pushed, perfect for competitive riders and those who enjoy hammering on group rides. Who is it for? However, the Madone is not for everyone. The aggressive riding position can be demanding for casual riders. If comfort is your top priority, you might be better suited for an endurance-focused bike. But if you crave speed and efficiency, the Madone is a dream machine. Outro. Overall, the Trek Madone is a top-of-the-line aerodynamic road bike that prioritizes speed and performance. With its lightweight frame, innovative design features, and comfortable-ish ride, it's a great option for serious cyclists and racers. Call to action. If you're looking to push your limits and experience pure cycling speed, definitely check out the Trek Madone. As always, leave a comment below with any questions, and let me know what bike you'd like to see reviewed next. Tune. Share. More_vert